In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Workspace to Outlook. This process, once you get the hang of it, shouldn't take more than 5 minutes, and it's a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their workflow by syncing their Google Workspace directly with their Outlook. First things first, let's navigate to Google Workspace. This is where your journey begins. You'll need to make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, so select the one you use for your workspace. Once you've identified the right account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Security is key here, so make sure you input your password carefully. After entering your password, you'll come across a Next button. Clicking this will move you forward in the process. Now look for the square dots icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to more options within Google Workspace. Here's where things get a bit more interesting. You'll want to click on sync.blue, which can be found towards the bottom. If you haven't heard of sync.blue before, it's a powerful tool that will help you sync your Google Workspace data with other services, including Outlook. If it's not already installed, don't worry. You can easily install it from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Now let's get to the exciting part. Head over to the sync.blue website and click on Try for Free. This will start your journey towards syncing your Google Workspace with Outlook. Once you're in, you'll see an option to Create Connection. This is where the magic begins. After clicking Create Connection, you'll be asked to select your source, which in this case is Google Workspace. Go ahead and make that selection. You'll need to click on Google Workspace one more time to confirm your choice. Next up, you'll add the second connection, which is Outlook. Finding and selecting Outlook is straightforward, and once you've done that, you're just a few clicks away from connecting the two services. Finally, proceed with connecting the two software to sync. This last step bridges Google Workspace and Outlook, allowing for a seamless integration of the two platforms. Once this connection is established, your emails, calendar events, and other selected data will sync between Google Workspace and Outlook, creating a unified workflow that simplifies your digital organization. Remember, the primary goal here is to make your work life more efficient by integrating these powerful tools. As you follow these steps, keep in mind the importance of ensuring you're logged into the correct accounts and accurately following the prompts. This will ensure a smooth and successful sync between Google Workspace and Outlook. And there you have it. Easy as pie, right? By following these steps, you've now equipped yourself with the knowledge to sync Google Workspace with Outlook efficiently. This simple yet effective process is designed to enhance your productivity by streamlining your digital platforms. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful. Here's to a more organized and efficient workflow.